everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alli, and I welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And to my old family members, welcome back. Welcome back again, guys. Thank you so very much for your love and for your support. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your comments, your likes, share, and for everything hitherto. Thank you very much, and happy new month to each and every one of you as well. Happy new month. The number 8 represents a new beginning, so maybe a new beginning in all our endeavors, in everything that we have been waiting for, and may the Lord gladden all our hearts in this new beginning. Amen. So today I'm actually reviewing another product, and I love receiving these products to review, and I'm gonna get it and we're gonna open it together. So here is the product, right? And I'm gonna open it together. And so here it comes in the box. I know what it is, but I just want to unbox it with you guys. And then make good use of it. So many great reviews about the product anyway, so that's one of the reasons why I was excited to also review it. So here is what it is. Here is the way it comes in the package, and it is a dual filter shower head set. And I can't wait to try it at the new house, and I'll keep you guys posted. But I like the packaging thus far. I like that it comes with a filter right there. It comes with a filter, and that's part of the shower head. And it says, why do we need a filtered water system? And it says, from the clothes you wear, the makeup you use, and the food you eat, we choose only the best for ourselves, which is true. So why not the water we use every day to wash our bodies? So true about that. Because sometimes we feel that the water is so hard, and harsh on our bodies. So I guess this will come in and it says, just because you do not see it does not mean it's not there. Goodbye impurities, hello WaveLu. Goodbye impurities, hello WaveLu. So like I said, it comes in the box like that, and that's the filter part of it. And the other part that comes in the box is that, as well as, let's see, ta-da! I guess that's to hold it against the wall. Wow, thank you very much, WaveLu. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for allowing me to try this product, and I will definitely leave more reviews on it. But I just wanted to unbox it with you guys, just a short video. See you guys in my next video. That's all I have for now. That's all I have. Just a simple product review, and of a great product, by the way. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I leave you with love, peace, and joy always.